Hi, I'm Susan Pitzer, Star Director with Tupperware, and I'm here today with my daughter Brianna. Hi, Brianna.
Hi.
Can you tell everybody hi?
Hi.
And we are going to make an omelet today. And we're going to use our new Tupperware breakfast maker for the microwave, which is a wonderful way to save money in the mornings and have quick breakfasts at home. You can do this while you're getting ready. Pop this in the microwave. You don't have to sit there and watch it, and it's ready by the time you are ready to get out the door for school, work, whatever you've got going on. And right now we're going to use our Tupperware Quick Chef Pro, and we're going to use it with the whip. And we're going to put our eggs in here and whip those to make our omelet. And Brianna, would you like to turn the handle on this whenever we get it all in here? Alright. I've already cracked our eggs, and I'm just going to pour that in there and just season it to taste with salt, pepper, whatever you would like with that. We're going to put that in there and give that a spin. One of the favorite things on our tablecloth here, I'm going to hold it down, but if you've got this on your countertop, on the bottom it has this little silicone base that's going to hold it in place. Yeah, that looks pretty good, Brianna. Yeah, she's whipped our eggs, and we're going to add some ham and cheese to that batter that we've kind of chunked up there. And then in our little chop and prep chef, we've chopped up some onion, and we're going to add just a little bit of onion to give it some extra flavor there. I'll put the lid cover back on, and we're going to give it a few more spins. That's pretty fun, isn't it? Plus, it's good cooking. Okay, now, let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks pretty good. Alright, and then we're going to pour that into our breakfast maker. And we're going to cook this in the microwave. Once we get this all on, we're going to put the cover on, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. And then we'll show you the results. Cover up. Okay, we got our omelet out of the microwave, and here's the finished product. And like I said, you can add any kind of cheeses, vegetables, however you want to make it. They're great for breakfast and other times of the day. But I think these girls here, I've got Brianna on my right and Chelsea on my left there, and they're going to want to sample this because they love the omelets. So I'm going to divide that in half. Give you some, and give you some, and give that a whirl. See what you think. How is it? Tell Brittany.
It's good.